Hello, Chotto Bondhura. How are you? Hope you are doing great. Yes, I'm also doing great. Today, we're gonna learn how to draw a sunflower. You know how to draw sunflower, but today I'm gonna show you how easily you can draw a sunflower, step by step. Don't miss and subscribe my channel to get more beautiful tutorial like this. Hope you will enjoy. For sunflower, first we need to draw a circle. So first we will join a sunflower, and in the middle we will draw another small circle. Okay, from here we will draw a straight line like this, and another straight line from here. So from here to here, this is the middle. Okay, from here to here, this is the middle. So we need to draw another straight line as like this one. Okay, this is the middle. As like this one, this is the middle. So we will draw another straight line. From this line to this line, the inner circle, we will draw, we will put dot middle of the circle. Okay, from here you can draw one petal like this. Okay, another petal like this. Like this, you will cover all of the lines. Okay,
Young sunflowers follow the sun. They do this to
yes.
grow
So
tall and
what we get now? Now we have to draw another
follow the
small petals between all the big petals. Okay, the middle. So how? 1, 2,
young
1,
sunflowers
2.
follow the sun. They do this to grow tall and strong. From morning
Oh yes. Now we will draw the stem like this.
I'd like to be a sunflower.
Now we're gonna draw leaves. For the leaves, first you will draw the straight line like this, curved line, and now this one and this one. We will draw another leaves will be this side.
Flowers follow the sun. They
You see, I already completed the sunflower. Now we gonna sign pin it.
follow the light. I'd like to be a sunflower.
Try to make all the petals little bit natural. Okay.
Young sunflowers follow the sun. They do this to grow tall and strong. From morning to night, they follow the light.
Now it's time to erase all the pencil lines. Yes. Look at this. Isn't it looks good now? Yes, it looks so good. So how we can color it? Easy. Don't worry, I'm here. First, take a brown color. Okay? Take a brown color and make
Morning to night, they follow the light.
this color like this.
Be a sunflower.
Which side you want to give highlights? Okay? Now orange color. Now you have to take orange color. Okay, this one. Now you have to take orange color. For the orange color you have to mix properly with brown. Okay, and you know after orange yellow color will come. Okay, yellow color will come. So for that we will put some yellow color on it, and just try to leave some white space for the highlights. Okay, we will use orange color as a inner side and yellow color will be the outer side. Okay, so for that we will put orange color something like this, just throw it outside like this. Each and every petal will be same. So let's see how the petal looks like with the yellow and orange color. From the bottom we have to use yellow color. Now the lemon yellow. Try to leave little bit white space for highlights.
Follow the sun. They do this to grow tall and strong. From morning till night, they follow the light. I'd like to be a sunflower. Young sunflowers follow the sun. They do this to grow tall and strong. From morning till night.
So we are done with the flower petals. Now we're gonna do the stem and the leaves. So for that we will choose green color, light green color and lemon yellow. For the leaf also,
Sunflowers follow the sun. They do this to grow tall and strong. From morning
And
till night, they follow the light.
like
I'd like to be a sunflower.
we will mix light green color with the dark green color, so it will blend easily.
They do this to grow tall and strong. From morning till night, they follow the light. I'd like to be a sunflower.
So here is the sunflower. Tell me, do you love this or not? If you love this, please subscribe my channel. I will come with more interesting tutorial like this. So, hope you will enjoy. Bye bye.
From morning till night.